In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a 9:16 aspect ratio on Google Gemini. So what I always recommend that you guys do is include this at the very start of your prompt. So you want to specify that you want to create a 19:16 vertical image, followed by the description of your image. And then afterwards, Gemini should get the job for you. Now, sometimes doing this doesn't always work. So if you're in an instance where it doesn't work, what I recommend that you guys do is delete the chat and then select over here, which is create new chat, and then do it again and see if it does work. Now, what could be happening is that Gemini does generate an image. However, it is not exactly 9:16, but what you're able to do is you're able to use something like Canva in order to readjust it. So Canva is a free website that you're able to go ahead and have access to. It's completely free, and all you need to do is you need to press over here where it says create, and then in the search bar, just type in 19:16. Then you're able to go ahead and select over here. And then afterwards, you're able to go ahead and adjust it to your liking. You could put in your Gemini photo, and then you can change it up to make sure that it actually does fit this aspect ratio. And once you're done, all you need to do is you need to press on share, then select on download just like so. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.